WCA board, and she also works with Barbara and Barbara.
Aloha.
Aloha.
I wrote my remarks because I might choke up and Barbara, don't look at me. Barbara Hastings is a woman who has worn many hats: reporter and editor, professor, communication director, founding partner of Hastings and Pleadwell, which, by the way, they are celebrating their 20th year in business this year, so congratulations. But she's more than these positions. She's a loving mother, wife, grandmother, and friend. I've worked with Barbara, or Ba, as I affectionately call her, for the last 5 years. Saying that I love working with her is a huge understatement. I love it. We work hard, but we play and have fun in equal measure, which is really important to us. She is clever, thoughtful, and a kind and generous boss. She works tirelessly to improve our community